Hello everyone, Kayla here, and I am finally coming back with an update video. I feel like the last time I did a length check video, I just put pictures and maybe did a voiceover and that was it. Like I did not actually sit and film a actual like talking update portion. So it is a lazy Sunday, so you about to get lazy Sunday from this video. I just came back from being out and about, and I was surely dressed like a Floridian. It's fall, but it is like between 80 and 90 degrees. I've got on a short sleeve shirt and shorts, and I had on boots earlier to match the cool stripes on my shirt. So it's all the way casual and all the way Florida. So anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the pictures from my last update. Well, not my last update, but from my last few link checks. So I'm going to show you a picture from 6 months ago. I'm going to show you a picture from 3 months ago, and then the most recent picture. So 3 sets of pictures. Now you can probably see from the pictures that there is a definite noticeable difference between 6 months ago and today ish. I think I took those pictures maybe a week ago, but there's a definite noticeable difference. Hair growth has definitely taken place, but there is not really much of a difference between the 3 month and the today picture. And normally in the past that would prompt me to like go on like a hair care boot camp mission. Let's take my vitamins for the vitamin regimen. Let's do the hair growth methods. Let's wear protective styles or only wear twists, or I would normally get like that. But I kind of had to think of myself like to like put a dose of reality in it. I do take these length checks before trims because I don't necessarily trim at the same time that I do the length check. I am kind of woo-woo and I trim my hair with the phases of the moon. So it's usually off. Like the trim is usually somewhere like within the 2 to 3 weeks after I actually take the picture for the length check. So I could have cut some of my hair off. That is very much a possibility. And also I've learned from looking on like long hair community, like some of these women on there, they will actually record how much their hair grows every month. And I've noticed that it's not linear. Like their hair growth is not constantly doing like this. Like it might do this and then do that, blah, blah, blah. And as it's doing these things, it still ends up by the end of the year being the average growth rate. Like they'll get 6 or 7 inches by the end of the year. But there were some months where their hair really wasn't growing. So I feel like right now it's not a means for alarm. I feel like what I'm doing is working. So I'm going to continue on with my regimen, continue doing what I normally do. Now, if we get to another set of pictures and there's still no growth, at that point it's 6 months. And at that point, then maybe I will try to reevaluate what I'm doing and see if there is something that is causing there to be a stall in my hair's length retention. So as far as what I'm currently doing, I am at a point where I have the simplest regimen that I have ever had in my entire natural hair journey, and I think that that has definitely contributed to me retaining a lot of my length because I'm not losing length doing a lot of unnecessary things. Because a lot of, like, I watch natural hair videos now and I'm like, girl, you ain't got to do all of that. What you're doing is unnecessary. Oh, right there, that's causing breakage, blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of things. I look at these videos and I'm like, you know, and I guess that makes my channel boring because I don't see the need to do all those things. So here's what I do. You can take notes if you want to. No, I was kidding. But I shampoo my hair with a clarifying shampoo once a month. That's my first lather if I'm at that point where I want to clarify my hair. And then a second lather, or the first and only lather if it's not a clarifying day, I follow with a normal shampoo. And then after that, I apply a deep conditioner to my hair. and I detangle with a deep conditioner. And that's a mix of finger detangling and brush detangling. I have so many detangling videos that y'all know how to detangle by now, right? So I do that, and then I actually deep condition, which I understand deep conditioner is not necessary unless you're like trying to do a treatment. I get it, but I just love deep conditioner. I'm doing it anyway. Eventually I might get off of deep conditioning. But anyway, after I deep condition, I rinse the deep conditioner off in sections and style my hair in a wash and go. And that's it. That is my entire regimen. And I feel like eliminating a lot of the unnecessary things has definitely helped me, because in the past there were things that caused me to lose hair and lose inches, and a lot of that was doing unnecessary practices that I did not need to do, or doing things in an improper way, and that's what caused me to have my hair break off. I might go further into that in like another video, because I feel like I'm getting off topic to talk about things like why my hair didn't retain and why it is now, because I think I've had more of a linear success this time around than when I first started my hair journey, before I had to do that drastic haircut in the Bye Bye Hair video. So anyway, as far as the products that I'm using right now, I typically don't talk about the products that I regularly use on my channel for several reasons, because I want to emphasize technique over product. I think what you're doing is more important than what you're using, and I feel like a lot of people just want to be like, they're just like salivating at the thought of a product because they want to see what it is, and I don't want to promote that, so I often don't. Like in my videos in which I have my regimen and stuff, I like don't even show the products that I'm using and that kind of stuff. But I will say that the products that I'm currently using right now, for clarifying, I use Kinky Curly Come Clean. I don't think I've tried any other clarifying shampoo. Shampoo does not excite me. I have no desire to try any other shampoos. My current shampoo is the Elucence Moisture Benefits shampoo in the huge pump size. I love it. It has a nice smell. I can't put my finger on the smell. Maybe it's like a mango smell, orangey smell. I don't know. But I really like the smell, and it suds up like an explosion. I love it. And it's a very gentle shampoo as well. So you can do like 30,000 lathers with it, and it's not going to strip your hair at all. I don't really have a desire to try any other shampoos right now either. So I think that that's going to be my shampoo. As far as deep conditioner, I will buy Soultanicals deep conditioners, especially when I can get them in the ridiculous huge size. I use the one that's green, which I think the name of that is, I ain't gonna try, but it's a green conditioner. And then they have another one which is like Manoy Moisture Slip, something like that. I like that one as well. That one's more of a like normal conditioner. It's creamy, it's white in color, it has more like normal ingredients, because the green one has like B5 and stuff like that in it. So I like either of those. They have a lot of slip, and they leave my hair very moisturized. And then if I don't have that Soultanicals, I use Mixed Chicks. So I have been using Mixed Chicks deep conditioner for a while right now, because I just don't feel like ordering online. And I just found out that CVS in my community sells the Mixed Chicks deep conditioner. I was so mad because I've been driving out to Target, which is in another town, to go get this deep conditioner. But now I'm finna buy it locally. And I saw the Mielle has a protein-free deep conditioner. I read the ingredients like 2-3 times. I'm gonna look at them again on a computer where I can hit Control F and search for certain things. But I think I'm gonna try that Mielle conditioner as well, which is available at that CVS, that same one. See, you gotta go to CVS in the bougie neighborhood, and then they got everything that you've been trying to get. But so that's my deep conditioner. And then for my leave-in, I'm trying to get away from leave-in, right? Because I feel like I get a better wash and go without leave-ins. And then I also want to try some gels that don't have as strong of a hold and are more natural. And I definitely will need to go leave-in free so that those gels can actually do their job without being softened. So I currently use the Giovanni Direct Leave-In. It is the same big pump that I held up in I don't know what video. It is taking me forever to use it because it's huge, but it's at the very bottom. Like I probably have maybe 2 full head uses left in there. And then I'm rotating that out with the sprays from Sweet Nature, which I have a video on the sprays by Sweet Nature, maybe 2 videos back. You can check out the Sweet Nature leave-in sprays. So I'm using my plan is to use the Giovanni every 2 times I do my wash and go, and then turn around and use the Sweet Nature sprays, alternating between those until the Giovanni is gone, and then I can just use the sprays or no leave-in and get that no leave-in look. So I'm trying to phase that out and be mainly on the Sweet Nature sprays. Now, the other conditioner that I will leave in my hair is a styling cream. I do use the Maui Moisture Curl Quench cream. That is what my hair is twisted with. This part of my hair is twisted with it in the back, and all that is twisted with it. But I do not, and I know people are like, well, have you seen that video about Maui Moisture and blah, blah, blah. I saw the video, y'all. And you know how I am. I analyzed it and looked up the stuff myself. And I think Will on a Whim's video basically says how I feel about it. So I'm going to link his video down below or link it in a card so you can go look at that, because I don't feel like I should make a video about how I feel about it. So yes, I'm continuing to use that. I got one more twist set out of it and it'll be good. And then Sweet Nature sent me a creamy moisturizer that they have, and I put that on the front part of my head. And it so far is very similar to this. So if you're looking for an alternative, this might be it. And it smells like an apple core. I love the smell. So that's that. And then the only final category of things that I use is Wetline Extreme Gel is my hair gel right now. But like I said, I want to get into some lighter hold gels that I might have to not use leave-in with. So as soon as I'm done with my creamy leave-in, I'm going to try some other stuff, and there will be videos, of course, because how dare me try something new without telling you guys about it. Which, okay, I kind of do that a lot because I'm not a product junkie in the sense of I don't have tons of products in a closet or in a cabinet somewhere. But whenever I run out of something, I buy something else. Like, I'm not loyal at all. Even if I love something, I holy grail it, I love it, I'm still gonna buy something different as soon as I finish it, because that's just how I deal. So yeah, I do actually try a lot of products behind the scenes. I just need to be better about like filming some type of videos. Let me know how you guys would like my experiences with new products to be presented on the channel. I try to do kind of like a first impression or over a couple of days. Just let me know how you like to see people experience products so that it can be the most valuable to you. But you can look at my last few videos. They have been about me trying different products. The EM Botanicals, the spray leave-ins video, the Sweet Nature products, the curl cream video. So all those videos have been me experiencing products. So just let me know how you like them, because I think each of them I did them slightly different. So let me know what you like. But anyhow, so that's what I do, and those are the products that I use. And the only final thing I want to talk about is that I've been thinking about my ultimate hair goal. My hair dances around waist length. I've always had that issue with that dance being close within a couple of inches and then not quite making it. And I've really started to think, especially after I saw the Kimmy Tube video in which she's talking about lifestyle length. If you haven't seen that, I will link that video down below or put it in a card. But it got me thinking about like, where do I ultimately want to go with my hair? Where is too much hair? I think for me, I don't think I can ever have too much hair. I don't think it'll ever be that much of a problem that I have too much hair. But I don't think that I would have a strong desire for waist or tailbone, not waist, but tailbone or hip length hair. Before, the thought would have been like, yes. But now the thought doesn't really appeal to me. I don't feel it necessary to grow my hair that long. I feel like when I have nearly waist length hair, when I do stretch styles, it comes out really nice and beautiful. Like, I can have super big long hair with the length of hair that I have now, and it styles really nice. And I can have my hair shrink up and be shorter like this. Like, so I'm feeling like my goal might just to be waist. And then I think ultimately I might grow my hair just a little bit past waist length and go to a curly hairstylist that I've been stalking in this area and let her shape it so that if I lose length, it'll still be waist length. And I think that's been my my whole goal from here on out. So definitely let me know what you guys think. Any suggestions that you guys have for future videos, or let me know what you want to see. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give a thumbs up, you know, that helps me out. And share the video, that helps me out. It gets more exposure, gets the video out there more. Subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you're someone who just can't keep up with the fact that I do not upload every week anymore. And follow me on Instagram, because I'm trying to trying to get my Instagram life together to be motivated to post more photos. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.